misunderstood. So when I in the Susan. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mashawa, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this wall art, this wall decor over here. If you're interested, please stick around and do subscribe. To create that beautiful wall decor, you will need spray paint, a mirror that you can get for around 20 rand, discs or CDs, and also a glue gun, a scissors, a pencil, and a box, and also skewer sticks. Don't forget those skewer sticks. So I started by removing the mirror from the frame, and then I drew an outline of my mirror on the box. After that, I drew another circle that was bigger than the one that I originally drew. From there, you have to cut the outline of the bigger circle. So here I'm just using my glue gun to stick the skewer sticks on the box, starting from the outline of the smaller circle outwards. Starting from the outline of the smaller circle outwards, just glue the skewer sticks until the box is completely covered. The outline is completely covered. So this is how your box should look after you're done covering it with the skewer sticks. So here I'm just cutting the skewer sticks and designing it the way I want it to be, creating the distance that I want between the bigger skewer sticks, the smaller sticks, and the smallest one. So this is totally up to you. You can do it like this, or you can create your own pattern. So here I'm just spray painting my wall decor, and if you're like me, you want to spray paint in the house, make sure your floors are covered with plastic or a box. So this is to basically show you how I cut my CDs. I was using 5 rand coin and also a 1 rand coin and a scissors. So you're gonna cut and count how many you want to paste. Now that my paint is dry, I'm gonna start sticking the CDs, starting with the 1 rand ones, the smaller ones, on the inside. As you can see, I was not just sticking, but I was having a pattern that I was following. So make sure you follow a pattern when sticking the CD so that it looks even and beautiful. So now I was sticking the bigger ones, the ones that I cut from the outlines of the 5 rands, on the outside. As you can see, the 1 rands are on the smaller skewer sticks and the 5 rands are on the bigger skewer sticks. So make sure that you cover all the large skewer sticks with the 5 rand outlines. this is how the decoration looks after attaching the CDs. As you can see, we are almost done. So now what is left is to glue the mirror on the box. So I'm going to be using my glue gun to glue my mirror. So that's me just smearing my glue around the box to make sure that the mirror sticks well and doesn't fall off. After that, you're going to take your mirror and place it in the middle. So if you did your thing correctly, the mirror has to fit perfectly inside the circle, and this is how it is supposed to look. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. I love you.